I'm doing this live trade, y'all. Don't clown me if I lose money. All right. Market about to open soon. It's 9:20, 9:29 a.m. I got the chart all set up, as y'all can see. Support and resistance levels, moving average. Like, I'm ready to go. Let's see what it do. All right. Market open. I always wait at least 5 minutes. You get a close up on AMD. Apple doing a lot of movement. Apple looks more according to plan than AMD does. I was expecting both stocks to go down. They both gapped down in pre-market, but AMD look like it's going up, or not really candle red right now. But I do see that AMD came down to that level of support. AMD's kind of channeled within that support and resistance level right there. If I get an AMD, I gotta wait for it to break that level, either direction. But Apple's going down and it has higher volume in a downward direction. Also breaking that key bear flag level of support. I'm still waiting. Actually, now could be a good entry to get in Apple because it broke that level of support. AMD broke support with high volume. Look like AMD's going up. This should probably be, well, we'll wait for this first 5 minutes to see what's going on, but this would probably be a good entry for AMD right now, going in the upward direction, but that's not my plan. I was expecting to trade them bearish, so it looked like Apple is carrying out my plan more than AMD is. I don't like the stock market to shake me out my shoes, so I'm waiting. I look at the first 5 minutes like noise. It's just information for me. It ain't, first 5 minutes is not trading worthy. Sometimes you could wait a whole 45 minutes. AMD's busting through that resistance or on high volume. Yeah, that's probably a good entry for AMD right there. AMD's gonna keep going up. That volume's increasing. Plus it broke through that level of support. AMD has higher volume in the opposite direction. Honestly, AMD kind of fit trading criteria for me already. AMD would have been a nice trade to jump in real quick. That's real high volume in the upward direction. passing through that resistance, but I'm not gonna chase it. It's not doing what I planned for it to do. And if you look, AMD's bouncing down, but the volume's increasing. So I think it's gonna go higher than that level of support that it's at right now. Alright. I'm looking for an entry. Come on. It looked like Apple is sticking to the plan that I drew out. So I'm probably trading Apple, even though AMD looked like that would be a good trade too. Alright. Apple's increasing volume on the way down. I think I'm gonna jump in now. Alright. Started the trade in the right direction. Probably gonna exit soon. Come on, Apple, you gonna break? Gonna break that?